The biggest debate in the entire AI industry is officially over. For the last 12 months, developers and founders have been fighting over whether Google or OpenAI has the superior model. Today, the answer is finally clear. You need to use both. What you are looking at right now on screen is AIDuo Pro. This is a revolutionary new framework that natively combines the raw intelligence of Google Gemini 3 with the precision execution engine of ChatGPT 5.5 into a single unstoppable workflow. We are seeing early adopters report over 10 hours saved per week and a 3.7 times return on investment. By utilizing Gemini's massive 1 million token context window to find the signal and ChatGPT 5.5's logic to build from it, they form the absolute most powerful AI combination available for your business right now. But here's the harsh reality of the current tech landscape. Knowing that Gemini and ChatGPT exist means absolutely nothing if you do not have the architectural blueprints to actually deploy them. You cannot just type generic prompts into a chat box and expect to build an autonomous, profit-generating business. That is exactly why I built the AI Money Forge. Our private school community just got a massive upgrade, and the Forge Arsenal 5 IP is officially live. Inside, you aren't just getting basic advice, you are getting my exact battle-tested agent blueprints, local tech stacks, and step-by-step masterclasses. Just look at the classroom modules, everything from make.com automation templates to full AI workflow connectivity. Inside the arsenal, we have curated stacks ready to deploy. The local service stack, the content creator stack, and the autonomous operator stack. You get the raw code, the workflows, and the exact systems to build your own AI empire and actually monetize these tools today. Don't waste hundreds of hours trying to figure this out from scratch. Click the first link in the description, join the Forge, grab your blueprints, and let's get back to the breakdown. So how does this dual brain system actually function in the real world? It utilizes a proven 6-step loop called from idea to execution. First, Google Gemini acts as your intelligence engine. You feed it live web data, competitor pricing, and massive industry PDFs. It digests the entire market and gives you ground truth signals. Then it hands that data directly over to ChatGPT 5.5, the execution engine. GPT takes that raw intelligence and generates a structured 90-day roadmap, fully coded architectures, and automated pipelines. Look at the department playbooks on the screen. Whether it's marketing, finance, or product engineering, you are essentially spinning up a C-suite of autonomous agents. And if you look at the Know Your Tools chart, the split is obvious. Gemini dominates in context windows and live workspace integration, while ChatGPT takes the crown for complex coding, agentic tasks, and logic sequencing. And the underlying models powering these workflows just received incredible upgrades. Look at this side-by-side of ChatGPT 5.3 versus the brand new 5.5 instant model. When asked a tricky social question about a coworker, 5.3 gives a robotic, HR-style response. 5.5, however, provides highly nuanced, empathetic, and direct communication options. It actually understands human corporate dynamics, but for developers, it gets even crazier. Look at this live coding race inside Atomic Chat between DeepSeek V4 Pro and OpenAI's GPT 5.5. They aren't just writing simple scripts, they are building a complete playable 2D racing game. We are talking canvas rendering, physics, speed mapping, and collision detection, generated perfectly from scratch in just minutes. ChatGPT has also revolutionized its cross-session memory. Look at this highly specific prompt. A goblin gave me $200. How should I spend it? Instead of a generic Amazon wish list, the AI actively accesses its memory bank. It knows you live in Mill Valley, it knows you have children, and it evaluates your specific hobbies to give you hyper-personalized recommendations. And for the data scientists, the new Multimodal RAG with file search is the holy grail. You can now chat directly with an entire workspace of documents simultaneously. The AI doesn't just read the text, it visually comprehends complex PNG diagrams of neural networks and dense PDF research papers. When you ask it to explain self-attention, it pulls the exact mathematical formulas and provides direct, clickable citations to the exact page of the source document. But Google was not going to let OpenAI take all the glory this week. In a massive new update, Gemini can now natively generate real, downloadable files. I'm talking Google Docs, Sheets, CSVs, Microsoft Word, and PDFs generated straight from the chat interface. No plugins required. Watch this mind-blowing use case. A user uploads 4 pages of messy, handwritten statistics notes, complete with hand-drawn graphs and ANOVA tables. They simply prompt Gemini to create an in-depth study guide as a PDF in LaTeX format. In seconds, Gemini reads the terrible handwriting, structures the complex math equations perfectly, and outputs a flawless, highly professional, downloadable PDF study guide. You just explain what file you need, and the AI does the heavy lifting. The tools to build the future are here right now. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn how to deploy these exact systems, get inside the AI Money Forge today. The link is in the description. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the forge.